Hi guys, welcome back to X-Pression YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sonia Odeji. I'd like it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please, I'd like you all to click to the bell notification button to get notified each time we post any new video. So today I'll be doing a La Belle. La Belle is actually an old product from VICHER brand. So today I'll be using it to do a Pixie cut hairstyle on my model's hair. So I'd like you all to stay tuned and relax and watch me create something beautiful on this girl's hair. So let's roll in. So what I usually do when it comes to short hairstyle, I just section the hair and do a cornrow all to the back because I'm gonna use a wig cap on the hair. So just do a nice neat cornrow on the hair. Yeah, we are done. I have a soft paper that I'll have to place on the hair so it won't damage her hair, because I'm going to be using bonding glue, so I need to secure her hair properly with the soft paper. Gently do that. Make sure the soft paper are properly aligned to secure our hair properly. Just trim the excess part out front of the hair. Make sure it's well secured, it's firm and it's tight. So this is my product, VICHER La Belle. I'm using color 1 and 350, so I'll start with the color 1. Yes, what I usually do, I take one part of the hair. On the waved parts, I'll still divide it into two. Yeah, to make a thin line, to make it flat on the hair, and to make it neat. This is the best way to go about it. If you want a thin line and a neat weft, you have to section the hair into two. You have to section the weft into two so it will be flat on the head. Yeah, I'm still gonna do the same thing on this one too. Yeah. Please don't forget to click the subscription button and like this video. So we are done. Now is the time for me to apply glue on the weft. In this part, you have to be careful and do it neatly so it won't stick on the hair, because when it sticks on the hair, you find it difficult to work with. So I'm gonna put this at the bottom part of the hair. Yeah, just the way I did it. This is nice. Yeah. For the second layer. So this is what I'm going to do all through till I get to the middle of the head. I blow dry the hair, blow dry the bonding glue so it will stick on the wig cap. I usually like spicing my hair up. I love colors, so most times I want to blend. I want to use colors to bring the beauty out of the hair. So this is the part where you're going to glue the hair all around. You keep turning round. I'm gonna be doing a Pixie cut, like I said, so it has to be, when you get to the top of the hair, you have to go all the way round, so it sits well on the head. Now just go all the way round till, yep, till you get to the last part of it. Yeah, just make it look neat, press it down. So this part, I'll roll it backwards so it will look super neat. Yeah, you just roll the weft backward so it will be neat at the top. Yeah, this is what I did. Yep. You search for the middle and you press it down for it to dry. Yeah, we're done. So just take a paddle brush and brush the hair. Use your straightener to neaten the top of the hair to make it flat, and just trim to style. Don't forget, before you start trimming, you have to trim from the back part of the hair. You don't start from the front. It has to be from the back part of the hair. Yes, we are almost there. Yeah, we are done. I hope you find this video easy to learn from. Thank you.
Do you know that there is a prize to be won just by giving us your feedback on the video you have just watched? Yes, you could be one of our 10 lucky winners of the gift packs from X-Pression. To participate, please watch the video to the end, then follow the link on the description part of this video to answer a few simple feedback questions about the video you have just watched. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because only those who have subscribed to our channel may be considered for our reward. Go on, click that button now.